We'll guide you through how to delete YouTube search history. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. Whether you want to go and delete one search you've made or you want to go and delete them all, it doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how it's done. Make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this guide. Without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So come to the bottom right of YouTube and there you're going to find the U button. Tap there. You're going to see some information, but what you need to do is you want to go and head to the top right and go and find the gear or cog icon. This opens up your settings. Now you want to come down the list and you want to go and find the option for manage all history and tap there. It's got this little history icon as well. This will then go and load. And you're now going to go and see your YouTube history. So you can go and scroll down. And as you can see, you're going to go and see different things you've gone and searched for. This will also go and include things you've watched, by the way, as well. So if you want to go and delete one of them, press the cross to the right and it'll go and say deleting now, and it will shortly go and have deleted it, as you can see. If you want to go and delete more, press delete to the right and you can do a custom range, or you could even do all time, which is what I'll do. So I'll press that there and we can then go and press delete. And it will then go and be deleted.